We're back. So that was my experimentation with a cliffhanger. That wasn't clickbait. Kind of clickbait, maybe clickbait. No, welcome back, guys, to another video. So this is what you've been waiting for. This is what you have been anticipating. And I know most of you are going to be like, I don't trust this guy anymore. I'm going to skip to the end of the video and I'm going to listen to it because that's where he's going to tell me what he wants. He's probably going to leave in a cliffhanger. No, I will not. I promise. In this video, we'll talk about the top 3 cryptocurrencies that I currently am invested in, and I do think will have a long-term projection over the next couple of years and can make you lots of money. Okay, so before we get into it, I'll ask that you like, comment, and subscribe this video before we get into it, because all the likes, all the comments, and all the subscriptions, even the negative comments, I love all you negative people. It actually makes me laugh. But anyway, welcome to another video. Like I said, hit that subscribe button right there and we will get into it. The first cryptocurrency that actually, we'll start like the last video. So we'll do 3, 2, and then the top cryptocurrency that I think you should be invested in if you are looking to get into crypto. So the first cryptocurrency that I think you should be getting into, or the third in this case, that I think you should be invested into is actually a coin called Litecoin. Kind of in the investor sort of, realm, Litecoin is kind of like the silver to Bitcoin, where if Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin is silver. So it's among one of the first cryptocurrencies, and it's kind of following the footsteps of Bitcoin. It's based on an open source global payment network that is not controlled by any central authority, as most cryptocurrencies are. And it uses proof of work, which is really good to know for Bitcoin. I just want to pause the video there and stop. And like I said, and I just want to put a preface on this video that I'm not a financial advisor, and do your own due diligence before investing any money into any of the products that I'm telling you to. These are just my opinions, and like I said, not a financial advisor. So now we'll resume, and like I mentioned, the third cryptocurrency that I would say is probably a good buy right now is Litecoin. So let's hop into kind of what Litecoin looks like right now on the charts. So as of filming of this video, Litecoin right now is about $173. But like I mentioned to you guys before in my other crypto video, I don't think you should be looking at the price of each coin. That doesn't necessarily, it's not like a stock, it's not like a Forex pair. It doesn't necessarily give strength to the coin. All you really should be looking at is the market capitalization and the volume coming in. So right now the volume is about half of its normal average volume, and that kind of makes sense because of the whole cryptocurrency scare where the market has been down over 42% kind of in the last couple of weeks. It has been down, but the current market capitalization for Litecoin is, so Litecoin's market cap as of the filming of this video is 11 billion. Its volume is about $2 billion in the last 24 hours, and it has a circulating supply of 66 million. Yeah, that's about right. So it's down currently. It's about $173 per coin. But based on what the company, or the company in this case, what the coin actually can do, I do think it is definitely a long-term hold, and it is a cryptocurrency that I think can have a pretty solid increase over the next couple of years. And I do think you should be invested into a coin like Litecoin, especially for the long term. Before I get into top 2 cryptocurrencies that I think you should get into, I need to kind of touch on something that I talked about in my TikTok video of should you be holding cryptocurrency long-term or short-term? And that really depends on who you are as a person. I personally am a long-term guy when it comes to crypto, which is very opposite than my normal trading. But the reason is because cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, and if you're holding something for a very short amount of time, you could be burned very quickly because it is moving too fast for you to make a decision and a choice, okay? And also, you have to understand something about cryptocurrency is that it's a very new market, and a lot of retail and younger guys and younger gals are getting into it. And I do think that, you have a potential to get burnt, especially in this market. So I do think that you should be careful in protecting your capital all times and being safe when investing in cryptocurrency. But it's one of those things that, any coin at any moment could just be hyped up like crazy and just make crazy amount of gains. So Litecoin, although looks like it could go somewhere, it could actually fall just because it won't get as much hype as some of the other coins. So anyway, so like I said, we'll get back into it. That's the third coin that I think you should be owning. The second coin that I do believe you should be in your wallet, or you should be able to, or you should be holding, is actually Ethereum, right? So Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts. It basically kind of helps and can be built and run without any downtime, fraud, and control and interface from a third party. Ethereum is kind of one of those big cryptocurrencies that you can use, especially in Uniswap and a lot of others to buy altcoins. I do think that it is just a very versatile and useful coin to have. And I do think that its price target of about $10,000 per coin is pretty realistic is with Ethereum. So again, like I said, all these coins I am personally invested in, so I'm not telling you something that I'm not invested in. So Ethereum is definitely one thing that I do think you should be getting into, just because it was one of the first cryptocurrencies. It does have a good back to it, and the market capitalization right now, like I mentioned, is something big that I always look for. The current market cap for Ethereum is 296 billion. So as you can see, a huge market capitalization, a lot of people behind it, a lot of volume, a lot of circulating supply. So it is definitely a coin for the long term that I think could have a huge potential to the upside, and I think you should be holding for the long term. So when I'm talking about long term, I'm talking about 5 to 10 years. I'm talking about cryptocurrency over a long period of time, because like I said in the other my other cryptocurrency video, I do think crypto could be the future of currency. It could be something huge, but definitely it will take some time. We need more institutional backup. We need more regulation, more government agencies to come in and kind of say what they're going to do with cryptocurrency. But anyway, these are the coins that I do think with all of that will increase for sure tenfold, no problem. And lastly, the last coin that I think you should be holding is none other than the big boy Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. It's not Bitcoin. The reason I don't think you should be invested in Bitcoin is because, well, there's no reason. It's just really expensive. Bitcoin, although could, go to its projection, volume or price of 100,000 to a million. It's a great coin, but I think for new investors, Bitcoin is kind of one of those like top tier, like an Amazon, where it has a lot of gains, but I don't think it is at a good price for you to get into. The one that I'm personally invested in, and I will, I'm not going to say go to the grave with this coin, but I definitely think it is one of the best coins across the entire market to get into, is actually Cardano. So yes, Cardano is the first one that I bought, and the first one that I think you should be invested in. It's actually a proof of stake cryptocurrency that is research-based approach by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptocurrency experts. Basically, Cardano was created, it's blockchain through extensive experimentation and peer-reviewed research. The researchers behind the project have written over 90 papers. Blah, blah, blah. So as you can tell, I'm a huge nerd. I like research. When I see this and I see the company, I see what they want to do. I see how they're doing the process and their proof of stake, how they're using Cardano and using it as a proof of stake, I think is huge for the cryptocurrency. And also there are talks that a lot of European institutions will start backing up Cardano as a cryptocurrency and legal cryptocurrency. So I do think, and I think Tesla one time, I think Elon tweeted that he might start accepting Cardano as a payment. I don't know, that's speculation. But anyway, Cardano, I would say right now, from filming of this video, it's currently trading at $1.55, I think Canadian, or no, $1.55 USD. Its current market capitalization is 49 billion, and its volume is 2 billion or something like that. So Cardano has a huge market cap, it has huge volume, and it definitely is a very good buy, a cheap buy that I think everybody should be holding and buying onto this coin if they want to make some long-term gains, right? Price target for Cardano, maybe $10 by the end of this year. That's extremely speculative, but that's just an idea. But yeah, like I said, I'm currently invested in Cardano. I've made quite a bit of money with Cardano, and I do think that I will continue to double down on Cardano anytime there's a dip, or even if there's a good position that I feel like I want to get into. So with all of that, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, but wait, before you go, like I mentioned, those are the top 3 cryptocurrencies I think you should be involved in. For all of you that are probably going to put in the comments, which probably won't be anybody in the comments, but it's fine. What altcoin should I buy? Can I make millions of dollars in alternate coins? You can. Of course you can make alternate coin. You can buy alternate coins, and of course you can make thousands, if not millions of dollars on alternate coins. Look at Doge and Shiba Inu and a lot of these other kind of altcoins. The problem with altcoins is that there's no real understanding of, how they can move and why they move. It's literally just hype. So you could definitely make some money in the short term, like I mentioned, with alternate coins. I'm not going to give you my opinion on alternate coins because I don't know which one is going to be the next one to go to the moon, because all of them or any of them could boost at any time. So the top 3 that I gave you are the 3 for long-term gains. So if you want to get into the crypto game, those are the 3 that I feel like you should be owning in your wallet and could have long-term potential. So thank you for coming to another video. Stay tuned for more every Tuesday and Thursday. If you like the videos of me telling you the top 3 stocks or top 3 cryptos to buy in each month, please let me know. I will continue doing them, but you have to show me some love. Comment, like, subscribe, share this video to your grandmother, to your grandfather, to your dog, to your cats. I don't care. Show everybody and tell everybody to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.